Let's clear up one of the most common questions we get about Iron Skunk. Here, we apply Iron Skunk to a wheel contaminated with iron particles. Watch as it turns purple. That's the reaction in action. We rinse with water, revealing a clean and decontaminated wheel. Now on this wheel, the surface is dirty, but there's no iron. That's why Iron Skunk doesn't change color, and that's perfectly normal. We rinse it off, and just look at that clean, spotless finish.